welcome back to another episode here on our channel. It's good to have you guys back. I must look weird without my beard. Weird without the beard, but yeah, I had to shave it. So just preparing the food for the pigs. Me and my daughter, she's attaching for today for work experience. So we're just gonna prep this. We've got papaya and some coconuts, and then we'll go take it down to the pigs. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, and we'll see you guys soon.
What is that?
Chicken.
That is not.
Alright, so we've done the papaya and now we're gonna do the coconuts. So I'm gonna get the o'o, and then I'll try and get this is the o'o. Sorry about that, my fingernail's still healing. This is the o'o and this is the popo, so we'll try and get both of them. So nice. You know, I'm actually thinking I should probably get some laupila as well, which is a type of spinach here in Samoa. We've got some here, you guys can see there. That looks pretty good. I'll try and throw that in there and see if the pigs eat it. It's so hard trying to do the pigs' food. These kids are also trying to eat it. Oh well. Most of the food done. I'm just gonna grab some of the spinach just to see if they eat it, because I do know that they eat greens and stuff. So if they do eat this, it's gonna be a huge win, because then we can grow this on a larger scale. So just gonna grab a few of these now. Big. I'm really starting to notice something, because there's one of them, one white one, it's a male, that really goes like quite dominant when it comes to eating, and I just kind of feel bad because the other piglets aren't getting enough to eat, and that's the one that's right in the middle. But they'll come around. This guy is sitting on the actual tire. But I just want to sit here for a while, just to them used to the presence of a person here, you know, and then they'll get used to it, actually become quite tamed afterwards. See, look, they're pretty close. They're coming towards me, so that should be good. If I do this more often, they should be okay. So it's actually, correction, it was actually 3 males and 1 female. So we're just gonna check out how they did. So most of the papaya is gone. Coconuts, spinach not too much, so maybe we'll cut off the spinach. But they really did like the o'o, so I think it's probably safe to say that they enjoy the o'o. So we'll probably for the next meal will probably just be mostly o'o. But I have to clean out their containers for water because it's all dirty and stuff, and then get them some water. I just noticed the V is coming back into season, so that could be an alternative feed. Look at that, already fruiting. So yeah, looks like we're gonna have a lot of alternatives soon. That's done. I need to go to the plantation, check up on the cows, and call it a day. Guys, so here at the farm, just wanted to check on the corn because Ba'a said we had cows from another farm that were actually trampling the plantation. They actually ate the corn. I swear, man, these people that own these cows, but it's quite evident because I can see now that some of these corns are missing tops. So see, this is an example of one. So it's quite unfortunate. At least we've got a few of them here, but it's already bearing fruit, so we might be having corn sometime soon. A lot of them have fruits now, so you can see this is some cow poo, obviously from the other farms, the cows from the other farms, because our cows never go out unless we set up the electric fence. Far out, man. Like, why bother having livestock if you're not going to look after them, you know? Corn is looking very nice. So yeah, I guess one regret I do have is because I didn't plant them in this manner. I just wanted them in like a block format. That way it'll be easier for pollination, but so far it's looking okay, so we'll leave it as it is. But see, all the taro is growing very well, large leaves, which is a good sign, taking in a lot of the sunlight. So really nice effort for like really nice growth for us. I'm gonna go check on the cows. Hopefully they come. If they don't, then they're probably not that thirsty anyway. Mick! Yeah, they're probably gonna come. But we did 2 of our cows actually gave birth. I think it was a couple of weeks ago on the same week, so it's a nice bit of addition to the farm. It's just we're trying to get a really nice I don't know, we're trying to get a bull, because the bull that we have right now isn't it's not, I don't know what's a proper way to say this. The bull we have right now is not horny. Let's say it that way. It's not in that breeding stage. So we do have one. It's just we're just trying to. We've recently bought one last week. So my wife bought a bull, and we're just trying to sort out the way to get it to the farm because it's one of the Australian breeds. I'm not sure of what it's of the specific name. I think it's a drought master or something like that, whatever it's called. But yeah, we're trying to sort that out. Just gonna pour some cows and then see if they come. Alright guys, so we're just gonna go for a little walk to find the cows. I get an itchy feeling every time I call the cows and they don't come. Usually they do come, and if they don't come, it's probably because they've already drank water. I did find the water trough was actually halfway, so they must have already had a drink. But it's always good to just verify that they're still here, because unlike other cattle farms, we actually want to look after our cattle. So I'm just gonna go try and see and find them. As long as I find one, then I'm pretty sure they're all there, because usually if one's there, then they're all there, because they usually follow the matriarch Suki of the cattle farm, and if she's there, then they're all there. So yeah. Alright, so looks like we found them. That's one of our newborns there, with her mother. The other one that just gave birth, I think it was that one there, which is another one of our cows. Just try and double check. Yeah, I think that's her. Usually you could tell by the milkers. Yeah, it's probably her. She's calling out to her baby, who's next to the other one there. Alright, so obviously I have to check they're all here. Yep, so most of them are here, as you guys can see there. I don't like the way they stand next to the gate, close to the gate like that, because usually it's because they can hear other cows calling them, and that's usually the way they leave the cattle farm. So I don't like the way they just sit there next to the gates. Suki! The newborns there, so there you go. That's her baby, And this one here, that's her baby. Hello. Hello, little guy. Yeah. Is the matriarch, Suki. I like the way they're so friendly. So tamed as well. Look at this one. Look how old he is and he's still sucking off the milk. Jeez. In comparison now to raising pigs and stuff, I think raising cows is a lot more easier. I think for the most part it's the fencing that requires a lot, but as long as you've got it all fenced up, it should be fairly easy. Whereas pigs, you know, they always have that tendency to roam around and leave the fencing, so it's quite hard. And plus they have, you know, I wouldn't say strict meals, but you know, we always got to feed them and stuff. Whereas cows, they just graze on the grass that's available, and yeah. But you know, enjoy having livestock because it actually helps us, especially, you know, times of fala beloveds and stuff. But also, like in the event we do have another COVID or another shutdown, maybe another pandemic, where we won't be able to move around, at least we have like cattle and pig. Maybe chicken sometimes that we can eat off. I mean, we've got free range chickens, those ones that just roam around the house, but yeah, just trying to build it up. Oh, the life, man. Just saw something I'm not too comfortable with, which is the wiring. The fencing has dropped down. The fencing has dropped down a bit, and I don't like it because, so see this one? Okay, so we see where the problem is. There's no, they didn't, we're gonna have to add some nails to this. So this is enough gap for someone to jump inside. I'm not too comfortable with that, so I'm gonna bring some nails next time and fix that up. Plus it also provides an opportunity for the smaller cows to jump outside the fencing if they know how to. But yeah, it's so nice seeing that cow, our cow, like, so nice seeing our cow there, because that cow, when she was born, I think 2 years ago, she had a bit of a disability we saw, which was she had like bumps on her skin, which was some sort of virus caused because they graze too low on the soil. When the grass is too low, they actually intake a lot of the, you know, viruses and microorganisms from the soil, so that actually caused them. We had to get like seawater, so we had people from the livestock help us out, and they gave her an injection, and then they told us to get some seawater and pour it on the skin. So we did that for about a week, and yeah, so she's finally given birth, which means she's got potential. So beautiful. All right, I think that's it. We're gonna head back to the car, and yeah, Suki. That's Suki. Cute. Hey, little fella. So just trying to recollect some of the cows that I've given birth. This one has given birth 3 times. That one was the first one we showed you. Suki has given birth about, so Suki's that matriarch there at the back. She's given birth about probably 5 or 6 times now. Our other cow there has given birth twice. And these two lassies here, this one and that one, still haven't given birth. So a lot of potential on the farm. But it's always good to have like one bull to about 20 females. It's a good ratio to grow your cattle farm really quick. But yeah, I'm gonna head off now. The cows don't want to drink, but I've already poured them water, so in the event they do want to drink, they'll probably come by and check it out. Have some water to drink. We'll head back to the car now. Alright, so before we head off, just need to go check the plots. If they're finished planting. Pat told me that the plots were now finished planting, so I'm just gonna go double check that. Alright, so it seems like finally finished planting all the plots here. I think because we're going to be harvesting the ones up at the top where the car usually comes down. So we're going to be harvesting that next week. And once we finish harvesting that, we'll do another round there of planting, which will take us up to probably January or February next year. But as long as this is all done, we're thinking of going down towards that side. But that all depends on money and time and people that are willing to work. So yeah, it's I think it's going really good. We do want to extend the plots as well. You know, for example, we'd like to take down those trees. So those big trees there, clear all of that down, and then clear some of that down, just to make it a bit bigger, and then start planting as well. But that'll be for next year, God willing, and hopefully that'll help us expand the plots even furthermore. But yeah, so far it's looking really good. Really proud of the effort uncle and the boys have been doing here at the farm. So it's a great progress. Alright guys, so we're gonna head off now. We're just gonna head up to another plots that we're gonna harvest next week and just check on that before we head home. This is one of the plots we'll be harvesting soon. Next week, which will be that one towards the back. So most of that front part towards the back there. Most of these are fairly new down here, these new ones. We've got other ones going through the back there, so we'll be harvesting that soon. Noticing some taro here. Like someone's been taking some taro. This is another. So this was the plot that was attacked by pigs. Still trying to establish the route they came through, but most likely straight ahead there, just inside there. So we're gonna do an episode soon on pig hunting. But I'll show you guys one of the taro they damaged. This is one of them, one of the many. You can see, absolutely wasted. Here's another one. You can see from that side, from that comb, absolutely wasted. Look how large that taro could have been. Here's another one. And another one. It's very unfortunate, but probably now's a good time to probably scout a good place to hide when we're gonna be coming to look for these pigs. Alright guys, so I'm gonna sign off now. I need to head back home, finish some stuff there, and we'll hopefully catch you guys on our next episode. I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Again, I just want to say thank you guys for the support. Really appreciate the support for the channel, guys, and I couldn't have imagined it would have grown like this. So just want to say thank you to everyone, all the subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and if you enjoy the kind of content we make. But yeah, guys, I'm going to sign off now. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys, and we'll definitely catch you on our next episode. Until then, God bless, take care, stay safe.